Have you ever wondered why the universe has layers? Not layers like an onion, but layers like particles, atoms, molecules, cells, organs, organisms, ecosystems, planets, galaxies, and beyond. Why doesn't reality mix everything together into one messy cloud of stuff? Why does the universe stack itself into levels? Today we explore why layering is not just a detail, it is the secret that makes stability, complexity, and life itself possible. Let's begin. Part 1. The universe should be chaos, but it isn't. If you take a cup of water and stir it hard, everything becomes a swirling mess. If the universe worked like that, then particles, forces, energy, matter, and life would all blend together with no structure. But that's not what we see. Instead, the universe creates building blocks. Tiny pieces first, bigger pieces later, stable pieces on top of stable pieces. It's like cosmic Lego bricks. The universe doesn't want chaos. It wants structure. Layering is the way it protects structure from being ripped apart by randomness. Part 2. Each layer solves a problem. The layer below can't. Every layer of reality solves a problem the layer below is unable to fix. Particles solve the problem of stability. Atoms solve the problem of binding. Molecules solve the problem of complexity. Cells solve the problem of survival. Brains solve the problem of prediction. Societies solve the problem of cooperation. Planets solve the problem of environments. Galaxies solve the problem of structure at scale. Each layer adds something new, without destroying the layer beneath it. This is how the universe climbs, from simplicity to richness. Part 3. Layers talk to each other. Layers aren't isolated. They talk by sending information upward and downward. Atoms to molecules, molecules to cells, cells to tissues, tissues to organs, organs to organisms, organisms to environments, environments to planets, planets to galaxies. This communication is how patterns stay stable. A galaxy's shape affects star formation. A planet's conditions affect the life on it. A cell's signals affect the organs, and your thoughts literally change the patterns inside your brain. Every layer helps guide the others. This is how complexity holds together, without falling apart. Part 4. Layers equals boundaries plus freedom. Layers aren't cages. They're zones where patterns can survive. A layer gives two things: a boundary so chaos doesn't erase everything, freedom so new possibilities can emerge. Atoms have boundaries that hold electrons. Cells have membranes that protect their insides. Ecosystems have niches that guide life. Galaxies have gravitational wells that shape stars. Without boundaries, nothing stays. Without freedom, nothing grows. Layers provide both. Part 5. Layers allow evolution and innovation. If everything were one big soup, no idea could survive long enough to improve. But layers create stability, so patterns can last, copy themselves, and improve over generations. This is how evolution works. DNA stays stable because molecular layers keep it safe. Cells stay stable because tissue layers hold them together. Organisms stay stable because ecological layers support them. Innovation needs stability. Stability needs layers. Part 6. Layers let information travel more easily. Here's a huge insight. The universe does not move information all at once. It moves information through layers. Electrons carry tiny messages. Molecules carry chemical messages. Cells carry adaptive messages. Brains carry predictive messages. Societies carry cultural messages. Galaxies carry gravitational messages. This step-by-step movement keeps information from getting lost or scrambled. Layers are like rungs on a ladder that help information climb. From small to big, from simple to complex, from past to future. Part 7. How this connects to PIWCG. Let's bring in PIWCWG, in simple language, is the persistence information weave. It says patterns survive by weaving information across time. G is the Carroll-Wells gradient. It says persistence moves upward through layers of structure. So why do layers matter? Because layers create the stable zones that information needs to keep moving. Layers protect patterns. Layers channel information. Layers allow persistence to climb, from tiny particles all the way to thinking minds. Without layers, the weave breaks. With layers, the gradient grows. This is how the universe organizes itself, from the smallest scales to the biggest. Part 8, Why Layers Make the Universe Feel Alive. Here's the big idea. Layers allow feedback loops. Atoms affect molecules. Molecules affect cells. Cells affect organisms. Organisms affect environments. Environments affect evolution. This looping feels almost like intelligence. Not because the universe is a mind, but because layers let information adapt, respond, and reorganize. Layers turn random accidents into meaningful patterns. Layers are what made life possible. Layers are what made you possible. So the next time you look at a shell, galaxy, a tree, your own body, or even a thought, remember this: you are not one thing. You are many layers working together. And the universe is not a soup. It is a layered architecture, built for stability, growth, and complexity. Layers are the universe's secret design. They hold everything together and let everything evolve. Join us next time for episode 22, where we explore how the universe avoids collapse and chaos by spreading information across space and time, and how this cosmic balancing act keeps everything from falling apart.